Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today we're here at Aston Park in Aston and we're here at the Bangladeshi Mela. We're going to go have a little quick look around to see what's going on. You got a traditional rishka kind of thing here from Bangladesh, the one that you have to pedal. Over there they mainly use this type one because it's very busy in the city centres there. What's the name of this? What's the name? Amla. Is it sweet? What is it? Sour.
It's very full of vitamin C.
Vitamin C?
Yeah. Very good food.
And this mixed thing you were making earlier, what's this called?
Yeah. You want to try some?
Yeah, can I try some? I'll buy one, please. So what is it? Bombay mix?
Bombay mix, yes. Pakistani or Indian? Try 1 spoon.
Right. Put on it. What? What do you call it?
Mix, Bombay mix. Sana soup.
Chef Abu's here. He's on YouTube as well. Embryo here. Also on here.
Salad.
Okay.
Chana
yeah.
Chicken pakora.
Chicken pakora.
Fresh chicken kebab, lamb kebab.
Chicken kebab, yeah. Cook some delicious food here. Smoking away, mashallah. Just ordered a fresh. Jazakallah, thank you very much. Just ordered one of these. The brothers put it on. And that's grilling away there. Away, mashallah, it's sizzling away there. Takes it up there. And he pops the wrap on there to get it a bit toasty and warm. Mix it over as well. Okay. Slides it off. Now for all the salads and sauce on there. Put salad on there. Very heavy, mashallah. Sauce, that's spicy with it?
Yeah.
Put it on there. Thank you. Yeah.
Turkish chili sauce.
Okay, thank you.
You want lemon?
Yeah, please, if you don't mind. Squash some fresh lemon there, and then wraps it up and that's done. That's ready to eat. Thank you for that. Thank you. Can I buy a drink for that, please? He made that fresh in front of us, mashallah. Had a bite of that, mashallah. It's absolutely delicious. And that sauce in there, it's got a nice kick to it. Kicks in afterward. Absolutely amazing, mashallah. Loads of slush there as well. Some more nice food here. Some drinks, rice,
we have some
chicken.
niblets, samosas, vegetable. Biryani is very nice, my sir.
They got it all cooking there, fresh in front of you. Assalamu alaikum. Got brother here making some fresh jalebi. Pours it from there into the sweet syrup. And over here you got some rice, chana, chicken niblets, samosas and chaat. There's a stall here selling loads of toys and sweets. I think you got these from Bangladeshi lychee sweets. Look at that, amazing. You often go seeing the lanterns with the price of the living going up, it soon will be. The brothers are making fish pakora. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, give it. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. You got Lahori street food here again. All the fresh food, mashallah. Beautiful aromas. Heat on the bottom. Cooks there, sizzling away. rice on that side. Got chicken, chana chaat, beautiful samosas. Nice. You've got Spider-Man in attendance. Hello. Okay. What you guys got here? What you guys got? Gulga peas and stuff. Looks nice. Looks nice and fresh. You've got more clothing, lots of fragrances, different types. Hey, stuff here, pots and stuff. Mashallah.
$4.99.
Scented bead oils. More clothing. More toys. More clothing. Nice and rammed here. You got a little jumping kind of thing for the kids here. A little fun fair on that side and there. The one here where they can play on as well. We've got a pirate ship as well, a little baby pirate ship. We've got loads of candy floss and donuts on that side there. You got all the shooting games over here where you can win. Got all these different type of clothing for sale, or ladies' dresses. More dresses on this side here. People enjoying themselves eating. Medical centre there. On this side, some cakes. Let's have a sale going on here. All the ladies are going crazy. Got major curry affair here. Loads of more biryani down here. I made curry house. And then
so much, and I really know it's great that you're still out there. You're proper Bangladeshi. One more time, make some noise!
Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Take care for now.